YouTubers, I do not know how good you can see me, but I'm coming to you with a dessert mukbang, guys. I have these Halloween Oreos, and I have these gourmet chocolate cupcakes. So let's get started. Oh, I'm gonna have a glass of milk. I love Oreos. Y'all want to bite a cupcake? I love chocolate, guys. What's wrong? Chocolate with some milk, oh my God. It's supposed to be triple chocolate. I do not think I got enough milk. It sounds like my girls are finna get out the shower. Oh, what's that? Okay. This is really good. And y'all just love, like, dipping your Oreos in some milk. Now I like to bite it. The Oreo just kind of melt in your mouth. You see how quiet it is today. I'm starting to turn the toy. I know it's for the people who like to just look. And the cream filling out, you know. What's wrong? I'm debating with myself, should I eat this? I don't think I will, so horrible. But I hope you guys would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Be doing more mukbangs. I was thinking about making this ASMR, but I just didn't see it lasting. Well, I didn't see it lasting being quiet for so long. So my hair is so poofy, you guys. Look at this. Look at my hair. Ooh. Yep. Bored. Okay, so hope you guys would like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This video should be the first video of Halloween mukbangs. I'm not sure 100% what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna think of some stuff. So hope you guys will continue to watch my channel. Bye. Oh, and subscribe to my other channel, Mom of 3 Girls.